Dealing with ants in your home can be a real headache, especially when you want a safe solution without harsh chemicals. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. Here are 10 safe ways to remove ants without chemicals at home. Number 1. Vinegar solution. Mix equal parts of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. This mix is great for disrupting those pesky scent trails ants leave behind, making it harder for them to find their way back. Number 2. Baking soda and sugar mixture. Combine equal parts of baking soda and powdered sugar and place it in shallow dishes where you see ants. The sugar lures them in, while the baking soda messes with their digestive systems. It's a win-win for keeping things safe. Number 3. Essential oils. Peppermint and tea tree oils work wonders as natural repellents. Just add a few drops to water in a spray bottle and apply it around entry points. Those strong scents will help keep ants at bay. Number 4. Diatomaceous earth. Sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth in areas where you notice ant activity. This fine powder dehydrates the ants without harming your kids or pets, making it a safe option around the house. Number 5. Cinnamon. Sprinkle ground cinnamon or place sticks around entry points and trails. The strong smell really disrupts their scent trails, which can help keep them away for good. Number 6. Lemon juice solution. Mix 1 part lemon juice with 3 parts water and spray it around door frames and windowsills. The acidity masks the scent trails, making it tough for ants to navigate. Number 7. Soap and water spray. Create a simple soap and water spray by mixing dish soap with water. When sprayed directly on ants, this solution breaks down their exoskeletons for immediate results. Number 8. Cornstarch. Sprinkle cornstarch where you've seen ant activity. They'll consume it but can't digest it, leading to their demise. Who knew cornstarch could be so effective? Number 9. Coffee grounds. Scatter used coffee grounds around entry points or ant hills. Not only do they deter ants, but they also enrich your soil if you're gardening afterward. Number 10. Chamomile tea. Brew chamomile tea and let it cool before spraying it around entry points. The pleasant scent is great for humans but repels ants effectively. If you're looking for more help with pest control or home projects, visit our website to find trusted contractors ready to assist you.